There are so many risks to buying hearing aids online. A lot of times when someone is looking to pursue options for better hearing, they immediately think that they should Google it and look for options online. The problem with doing that is that you're looking to buy a widget or a device that can help you hear better, but there's so much more to it than that. The first step would be a thorough and accurate diagnosis of hearing loss. We just want to make sure that there aren't blockages in the ear canal that would be a simple fix, or that your hearing test is accurate so we know why you have a hearing loss. Is it the outer ear causing a problem, or a middle ear issue where you might need medical attention? Or is it just a traditional sensory neural hearing loss? Buying hearing aids online, even if you have an accurate diagnosis for your hearing loss and then you go to purchase the hearing aids online, there's so much more to helping someone hear in their daily life with their family and their friends than just having a device on hand. It needs to be programmed and calibrated. That device can be programmed a million different ways. And so someone who just purchased that online isn't necessarily able to get the fine-tuning and all of the details that they need in programming and understanding what that patient's unique situations and needs are. My biggest fear about the online options in the market of purchasing hearing aids online would be twofold. The first would be that the diagnostic hearing test, if you're taking a hearing test online, the accuracy of that would be very concerning to me. I don't know that your speakers are calibrated on your computer appropriately. I don't know that the tones are at the appropriate frequency to be programming the hearing aids based upon that diagnostic test. Also, there's not a professional looking in the ear to see if there's a blockage, if there's an earwax problem, if there's something that would warrant medical attention. So the diagnostics are a big concern with me. Also, the programming of the device. Certainly you can program a device based on an audiogram remotely, but there is still no way in the industry to do calibration with hearing aids online. So when I put a hearing aid in a patient's ear locally, I run a feedback test to see the shape of the ear canal. We want to make sure that we're not going to give the patient feedback where they're going to hear a whistle or a squeal when they're wearing the hearing aids. And with purchasing online, you're unable to run that test and perform that. So it would be, if it was even programmed correctly, it would likely feed back, and that would be very concerning. My advice would be, don't buy hearing aids online. You should go somewhere locally to do that, so that you get a thorough test and a device that is programmed to your specific needs and fine-tuned to your specific needs. There's so many things. We have a service center in our office, and there are so many things that are taken care of on a daily basis that a patient walks in and it's a simple fix, but it really needs to be a hands-on fix and not something that you can do remotely.